दिस आई गॉट इट फॉर जस्ट ₹500। मतलब मेरे को खुद बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि ये 500 में मिल रहा है। बैग्स किसको नहीं पसंद है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम बैक विथ अनदर बैग haul. I know you guys loved my other bag hauls. I'm sure you guys did, because bag hauls जब भी मैं upload करती हूँ, you guys really shower so much of love and views. So yeah, I bought a lot of bags from Amazon and वही मैं आज आप लोग के साथ share करने वाली हूँ. So if you guys love bags like me, if you guys are obsessed with it, then keep watching. Let's start with this one, which I received I think yesterday. So yeah, this is how the packaging is. It's once again from Miragio, and wait for it, because it is going to be a very 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 cute bag. Ta-da! I have not even opened it as of now. And यहाँ पे ना अभी they have started giving these I think tags, seal basically, which if you just cut it and open it, then you can't return the bag or the item. So this is how it looks like. Just see how cute this is. I'm obsessed with the color pink, so that's why I got it in this color. इसमें भी ना बहुत सारे colors available थे, but again, pink obsessed me had to get it in pink only. You have to open it like this, and I think like this. Yep. And yeah, अंदर इतना सा ही जगह है, but ठीक है, फोन तो आ ही जाएगा. And ऊपर से I think some of my makeup also can fit inside this. So this is the bag which I got. It's super cute, super pretty. Let me know what do you guys think about it. This is the next one, which is a clutch, by the way. This is how it looks like. I got it in the color gray. This was also available in a lot of different color, a lot of different size also, but I got it in grey because मेरे पास grey color का एक भी bag नहीं था, clutch भी नहीं था, so I got it for that reason. And I'm gonna use it for I think for Indian looks or Indo-Western looks. What do you guys think? Let me know. मैं ना एक बार खोल के भी दिखा देती हूँ. This is how it is going to look like from inside. Space है, but I doubt whether my S23 Ultra will fit inside this, because I mean my phone is very big, so I don't think so fit hoga. But otherwise makeup and all तो आ ही जाएगा. And you have this chain thingy for just carrying it like a sling bag instead of a clutch. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Next I got another clutch, which is from Zook. I love their products because quality wise बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. And as you can see, I have not opened it. यहाँ पे भी ना stickers है, so that whenever it is being delivered, destroy ना हो जाए. So मैंने ये सब एकदम भी खोला, मतलब खोला भी नहीं अभी तक. So this is how it looks like. It's very pretty. Just look at it. Finishing is awesome, guys. Awesome. Finishing is just awesome. And इसके अंदर भी you have space like this. Phone, once again, I don't think so fit आने वाला है. See, I was talking about the quality, See, this is how they have given this, okay, inside another pouch, which is great. And the quality is also very, very good compared to the other clutch I have just, shared with you guys. I mean, shared, wow. मैंने जो दिखाया है ना, basically. उससे ये थोड़ा better quality का ही है. And price भी इसका ज़्यादा ही. This is, I think, around 800, 900. Whereas the other ones which I've got were around, I think, 500, 600-ish. So difference here. But I think, if you're looking for a very good quality clutch, then you can definitely go for it. This, I think, will look very nice with a sari. So I have my friend's wedding coming up very soon. So probably I'm going to style it over there. Okay, next is this clutch. This is once again very new. Use भी नहीं किया है मैंने. Though it looks a little old, maybe because of the color, but it's not. So this is how the finishing is, and you have this tassel thingy, golden tassel thingy going on here, which is again very pretty. This is very pretty, the top part. Wait, let me just show it to you guys. The top part, can you see, is very pretty. And यहाँ पे भी ना detail में, can you see? Yeah, I think you guys can see. See, यहाँ पे भी you have those, what do you call it, stone? Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Again, a very pretty bag. इसके अंदर भी ना, can't even open it, 1 second guys. Oh yeah, this side. Yeah, so इसके अंदर भी you have this thing, and I feel इसके अंदर ना मेरा phone fit हो जाएगा, I think. Yeah, आराम से हो जाएगा. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, I'm gonna style it friend के शादी में. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next is, ta-da! This one, which is by far my favorite bag. Okay, look at this. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? Okay, so this is a bucket bag, and obviously you have this bow design, you have this thing going on here, and inside ना बहुत ही मतलब जगह है इसके अंदर. I have not taken this out, but you have this inside just to, you know, keep it intact. And then you have this sling thingy also. So you have a small one, first of all. Okay, you have a small one like this. Here you can just attach it यहाँ पे. तो ये एक है छोटा वाला, and एक और है जो obviously बहुत लंबा है. Okay, and you can adjust it also. Size you can easily adjust. So I think this is a very very good bag. The quality is also very very good. Obviously price भी अच्छा ही है. इसका price I think 2.5 का ऐसा कुछ था, 2K या फिर 2.5 का ऐसा कुछ था. Obviously links मैं दे दूंगी नीचे, so that you guys can just, you know, comment and get the product. And again, you can just do this, and that's it, done. By the way, you can't, you know, take it out from here. Like you can't just take this thing out. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's my favorite bag, and I'm sure you guys can see why. Next is this clutch, which is again from the same brand. सेम ब्रांड, ऑब्वियसली सेम टाइप का भी है, बट इसका जो ग्लिटर है ना, ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. इसका बहुत ही डिफरेंट है. कैन यू सी? आई थिंक यू कैन. या, एंड ये रोज गोल्ड में है. दिस वन वाज इन गोल्ड. ओके, आई एम श्योर यू गाइस कैन नाउ सी द डिफरेंस. सो इसके अंदर ना फोन फिट नहीं होने वाला है. मेरा वाला तो नहीं होने वाला है. आई हैव ट्राइड इट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड दिस वंस. यूज्ड इट वंस फ्रेंड के वेडिंग पे ही, वेरी रिसेंटली, दिसंबर में ही. And this is how it is going to look like from inside. Good quality, once again good quality, but phone fit नहीं होने वाला है. So if you're looking for something जिसमें phone भी आ जाएगा, not happening guys, not happening. इसका ना बहुत सारा shape है, as in like it is available in different shapes. This is the diamond one. This is available in very very different shapes. Even I think one was in a football shape. I mean circle, not football, like as in circle. I'm sure you guys got it right. So this is how it looks like. It's very pretty. मेरे को तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है, and I hope you guys are also liking this, you know, छोटू सा haul, bag haul. Next is this one, which I have used, I think हो गया 2-3 times I have used. Though this is a very common one, but still, you know, golden, I really needed one, so I got this one. इसमें भी अंदर you have the sling. You can just attach it and use it as a sling. And the last one, which I'm gonna show it to you guys, is this one, which is just awesome guys. But you know, ये मैंने Amazon से नहीं खरीदा है. इसका price is just 500. This is for 500, and this is of good quality, by the way. This is how it looks like. And honestly speaking, ये Amazon से मैंने नहीं लिया है. I got it from Trade Fair, but I just wanted to, you know, show it to you guys since I'm doing this bag haul. It's just so pretty, so different. बहुत सारे designs में available था, बहुत सारे. Okay, like crazy designs were available, but I got it in this shape and color and design basically, because I think, you know, this can go with a lot of outfits. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So this was my quick you know, haul, bag haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.